This is Trendy Dude. Today we are going to see a super easy handmade greeting card to gift your loved ones. Come on, let's started with the tutorial. Materials required: black chart, color paper, ruler, black pen, glue, scissor, pencil, pro circle, foam tape. Then you need to stick the color paper on the front side of the chart with the help of the glue. Then I am going to add a sentiment "Happy Birthday." I am sticking it with the help of a double-sided foam tape. You can customize your sentiments according to your wish. You need 4 different colors of circles. You can draw either with a pro circle or with a compass, then fold it into half. Then glue them. Then stick them all together. Then stick the super 3D balloon on the card. Totally you need 3 pieces like this. With the help of the black pen, draw the rope. Then you can add some more detailing like the bows. Yeah, that's it. Your super amazing DIY handmade greeting card is ready to surprise your loved ones. Add some messages on the back side of the chart. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. It would mean a lot for me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.